Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a new topic. That topic name is make money online for beginner. Top 5 passive income ideas that for you in 2026. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. So this is time for little beginning. Want to make money online? Want to real money online without wasting trying year? Today I'll show you 5 passive income ideas that I actually pay you in 2026. Please watch my full video and follow subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to see my all content, how I'll publish my every single content into my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your online journey. So why passive income matter in 2026? And now I'm showing with you what is passive income. Passive income means make money online while you sleep. Side hustle that go into full-time income. So passive income ideas. Number one, this is called affiliate marketing, promoting other people's product and earning a commission. This is called a passive income, and this is called affiliate marketing. Even while you will sleeping, your rank will fulfill with money. So this is called a passive income ideas. Like best beginner platform like Amazon Associate, Clickbank, and CZ Affiliate, and Warrior Plus. And this is time for step by step for beginner. Number one is to say niche. You have like blogging or live YouTube videos, find product to promote and share via blog like YouTube or social media, and track your result and scale. This is very simple and this is very proven method for make money online. And focus on value, not spam. Pick evergreen product. Oh my. And number two is this is called a print on demand and digital product selling. And what it is: sell your t-shirt, mugs, and digital pen and Canva templates. Platform like Etsy, Redbubble, and Gumroad, Canva Marketplace. Create simple design templated and upload to platform, promote via social media and earn requiring sales. Tips: start with low cost or free tool like Canva and Figma. Number three is YouTube and content creation. Make videos once, earn and revenue and affiliate commission repeatedly. Like pick a niche like money, tech, and learning English and productivity, and make 5 or 10 videos fast and monetize via YouTube. Partner program plus affiliate. Tips: short and SEO optimized title for faster growth. And number four is this is called freelancing and outsourcing. And start with freelancing for money, that outsource to build a mini business like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Identify a skill you have: writing, design, or video editing, and voiceover. Offer a service online and use promote to hire an assistant to create a requiring gig, and focus on microservice first, then scale. Number five is investing AI in AI and digital assets like use AI tool to generate content, product, or invest in digital assets that earn automatically. Like example like AI writing tool to create blog, or AI art for selling, NFTs points, paints, and AI scheduling tools to automate tasks and services. Step by step, how can you create your account like choose a tool or platform, create content product one, and automate marketing sales, keeps cost low on evergreen assets. Thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content, and this part was my theoretical part, and now I'm showing with you this is called one platform, and I'm showing with you step by step process. That's why you'll be earning money from online with very easily and even while you will sleep. Please watching my full content until it's finished. thank you everyone for watching my this content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your online journey or for your online money journey. Even while you are sleeping, doesn't matter. Matter is your money and your bank account. So this is time for bye. See you soon with another effective content.